Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप सभी? Welcome to the channel. So today we are going to continue our current affairs synopsis series, जिसमें कि complete 1 year के current affairs हम finish कर रहे हैं from the month of October to November 2024. ठीक है, टोटल 1700 क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज है, जिसमें कि मेजोरिटी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस हमने ख़त्म कर लिए हैं. आज की इस क्लास में क्वेश्चन नंबर 773 से हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे. एंड आई विल ऑल्सो टेल यू द स्टैटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन सो दैट आपका जनरल स्टडीज़ वाला पोर्शन भी बहुत एफिशिएंटली रिवाइज हो जाए. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद टुडेज क्लास. क्वेश्चन नंबर 773. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. हाँ, अगर आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 772 तक की वीडियोस देखनी है, सो यू कैन विजिट द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. मैं प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक वहाँ पे दे दूंगा, सारी वीडियोस वहाँ पे अवेलेबल हैं. So let us start with today's question. First question is, Project Hifazat was launched in the Punjab. Second statement is, it is focused on women and child safety. Third is, it is a central government initiative. अब यहाँ पे correct answer only 1 and 2 है, because it is not a central government but a state government scheme. वहीं पे अगर women से मैं related बात करूँ तो शी बॉक्स पोर्टल का नाम आपको याद रखना है. इसके अलावा एक यशोदा एआई के बारे में यू नीड टू नो. नाउ दिस शी बॉक्स पोर्टल, दिस वाज लॉन्च्ड बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन. ठीक है, एंड दिस यशोदा एआई, दिस वाज लॉन्च्ड बाय द नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन. एक बात और यहाँ पे यू नीड टू नो दैट द नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन्स इज अ स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी. ओके, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी नहीं है, इसका आप ध्यान रखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Consider the following statements. First statement is, Dr. Jayashree Venkateshan won the Ramsar Award in 2025. Second is, she was honored in the Wetland Wise Use category. And third is, she is the first Indian woman to receive this award. So correct answer यहाँ पे all of the above है. Now because this is she is the first Indian woman to receive this award, so this fact becomes important. इसके अलावा यू ऑल्सो नीड टू नो अबाउट द रामसर कन्वेंशन. नाउ दिस रामसर कन्वेंशन के बारे में बात करूं अगर, सो दिस वाज लॉन्च्ड इन द ईयर 1971. नाउ दिस कन्वेंशन इज रिलेटेड टू द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द वेटलैंड्स. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि 2025 में कौन कौन से मतलब कौन कौन से रिसेंटली डेजिग्नेटेड रामसर साइट्स हैं. तो किचन and Minar, these two names you need to know because these are in राजस्थान. ठीक है. इसके अलावा नागी नक्ती, गोगाबील, these sites are in Bihar. Okay. Now Tawa reservoir, this is in Madhya Pradesh. Now खीचो पालरी wetland, this is in सिक्किम. ठीक है, ये सारे नाम आपको पता होने चाहिए. क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ सकते हैं रामसर साइट्स के रिगार्डिंग. ओके. नो नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. फर्स्ट इज, बर्निहाट इज लोकेटेड इन मेघालय. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज, इट वॉज रैंक द मोस्ट पॉल्यूटेड सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड इन मार्च 2025. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट है हमारा, द रैंकिंग वॉज रिलीज्ड बाय द वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो WHO का कोई यहाँ पे लेना देना नहीं है टू रिलीज द रैंकिंग्स ऑफ द पॉल्यूटेड सिटी. ठीक है, यहाँ पे IQAir इज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट रिलीजेस सच काइंड ऑफ रिपोर्ट्स, नॉट WHO. WHO इज मेनली कंसिडर्ड विथ हेल्थ, एंड रिसेंटली MPOX को डिक्लेयर किया था, ग्लोबल डेजिग्नेशन इसको मिला था फॉर बीइंग हजार्डस. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू, ओनली द फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड आर ट्रू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 776. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है, माधव नेशनल पार्क इज लोकेटेड इन मध्य प्रदेश. सेकेंड इज, इट वॉज डिक्लेयर्ड इंडियाज 58th टाइगर रिजर्व. एंड द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज, इट इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइगर रिजर्व इन द स्टेट. नाउ माधव नेशनल पार्क, इट वॉज 58th टाइगर रिजर्व. फर्स्ट टाइगर रिजर्व की अगर मैं बात करूँ मध्य प्रदेश की, तो इट वॉज कान्हा टाइगर रिजर्व. सो यहाँ पे ओनली द फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. ए हमारा करेक्ट आंसर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 777, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज स्फीयर एक्स इज अ स्पेस टेलीस्कोप लॉन्च्ड बाय नासा। Second is it aims to map the cosmic glow of the universe. And third is it was launched in collaboration with ISRO. Now अगर इस statement की मैं बात करूँ तो यहाँ पे the third statement is not true because Sphere X is completely, it is solely launched by the NASA. ठीक है। Now NASA and ISRO की एक combined इन्होंने नीसार सैटेलाइट को लॉन्च किया था। ठीक है। NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar. This NISAR satellite was launched by NASA and ISRO. ठीक है। यहाँ पे एक और बात आप ध्यान में रखेंगे, ल्यूपेक्स इस चंद्रयान 5 मिशन, और ये जो ल्यूपेक्स मिशन है इट इज़ गोइंग टू रन इन कोलैबोरेशन विथ ISRO एंड JAXA विच इज़ द जापानीज स्पेस एजेंसी। ठीक है। सो ये आप नाम ध्यान में रखेंगे, ये इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है आपके लिए। एक्सियोम 4 मिशन के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए, विच वॉज लॉन्च दिस ईयर। इसमें 4 एस्ट्रोनॉट्स दे वेंट टू द स्पेस फॉर 18 डेज, जिसमें इंडियन एयरफोर्स के शुभांशु शुक्ला जी भी यहाँ पे ही वेंट टू स्पेस। ओके, स्पेस मतलब इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन। एंड आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन की फाउंडेशन में चाइना डिड नॉट हैव अ रोल टू प्ले। ठीक है, चाइना ने अपना खुद का स्पेस स्टेशन यहाँ पे लॉन्च किया है। टाइनवन इज द नेम ऑफ द स्पेस स्टेशन ऑफ द चाइना। सो इसको भी आप ध्यान में रखेंगे। इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन में दिस चाइना इज नॉट अ मेंबर। ठीक है, ये समझ में आ गया। 1 and 2 इज करेक्ट यहाँ पे। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। Now consider the following statements. First one is PM Yuva 3.0 was launched by the Ministry of Education. Absolutely correct. Second is it aims to guide young writers across India. Absolutely correct. Third statement is it is focused on science and technology writing only. No. Now PM Yuva, this mission is a widespread and wide scale mission, and it is not only focused on science and tech. So the third statement is wrong. First and second statement is true. Next is consider the following statement. First one is PM Modi attended Mauritius National Day celebration as the chief guest. Correct है. He was honored with the country's highest civilian award. ये भी correct है. Now the award is called the Grand Commander of the Order of the Star and Key of the Indian Ocean. Now this is also correct. ठीक है। अब Mauritius is important for another reason also. Now अभी recently आपने न्यूज़ में चैगोस आइलैंड का नाम सुना होगा। Okay, now these Chagos Island was under the control and sovereignty of United Kingdom. Recently what happened was that United Kingdom handed over the sovereignty of Chagos Island to Mauritius. So this fact you also need to know. इसके अलावा अगर मैं बात करूं डिएगो गार्शिया, अगर ये आपसे पूछ लें कि दिस डिएगो गार्शिया रिसेंटली सीन इन न्यूज़ इज रिलेटेड टू व्हाट, सो यहाँ पे डिएगो गार्शिया इज द largest island of Chagos Island. Okay, so ये भी नाम आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट की यहाँ पे बात करूँ, सो ऑल ऑफ द गिवन स्टेटमेंट हेयर इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट इज ऑन Feb 24, 2025, Indian scientists created the first detailed geological map of the moon's south pole using the data from which Chandrayaan mission? So this is an important question. First detailed geographical map has been prepared with the help of Chandrayaan 3. Next, who became the fastest cricketer to score 14,000 ODI runs on February 2025? This is Virat Kohli. Next, where was the world's largest Jhumur dance organized, which has entered the Guinness World Records? So this is Guwahati. This has been organized in Guwahati. What is the name of the 6th joint military exercise between India and Japan held at Mount Fuji? Now this is also known as Mount Fujiyama. Okay, it is in Japan. Okay, इसके अलावा Mount Kilimanjaro, you need to know. This Mount Kilimanjaro is in Tanzania, Africa. Okay, so the name is Dharma Guardian. Now Yuddh Abhyas is an exercise which is conducted between India and USA. Varun is the exercise that is conducted between India and France. ठीक है. मित्र शक्ति, ये आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना. मित्र शक्ति is conducted between India and which country? Next is Indian Railways has partnered with which institute to launch the first Hyperloop test track? This is IIT Madras. Next is which Kannada writer short story collection Heart Lamp was nominated for the International Booker Prize of 2025? It has been written by Banu Mushtaq. Which country launched the Green Transition Alliance India? So it has been launched by Denmark, and this is an important question. ठीक है, ग्रीन ट्रांजिशन अलायंस इंडिया डेनमार्क ने यहाँ पे लॉन्च किया है. Who was appointed the chairman of the Ratan Tata Endowment Foundation? So this is N. Chandrasekharan. Next is what is the name of the USS spacecraft launched on Feb 26 to detect and map water on the moon? This is Lunar Trailblazer mission. This is important. Okay. Next, which state officially recognized Baathuism as a religion? Option in the government document. So ये असम है. Okay. Now असम से related एक और fact. Second capital असम की is डिब्रूगढ़. Okay. And इसके अलावा एक और fact मैं बता दूं that Assam has given the status of OBC to transgenders. ठीक है, दोनों पॉइंट्स इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेक्स्ट इज विच एयरपोर्ट बिकेम द सेकेंड इन इंडिया टू ओपन एन उड़ान यात्री कैफे आफ्टर कोलकाता? दिस इज चेन्नई. नेक्स्ट इज इंडियाज फर्स्ट स्पेस बेस्ड सोलर मिशन आदित्य L1 कैप्चर्ड द फर्स्ट इमेज ऑफ विच सोलर फिनोमिनन? सो दिस इज सोलर फ्लेयर कर्नल. दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. ठीक है. Next is what is the name of the biannual Hindi magazine released by the Ministry of Defense? This is Sashakt Bharat, and this is important. पूछ सकते हैं आपसे. ठीक है. Sashakt Bharat is a magazine which is released by, so this is released by Ministry of Defense. Now next देखते हैं. Who launched the One Nation One Port initiative? So Sarbananda Sonowal ने launch किया है. He is also the Minister of Ports. Now next is which country topped the global breast cancer rate as per the report released on Feb 26? So New Zealand has topped this this global breast cancer rate. Now next is which state police filed India's first EFIR through email? This is Jammu and Kashmir. This is important, पूछ सकते हैं आपसे. Next is what was the theme of the National Science Day celebrated on 28th Feb. So this was empowering Indian youth for global leadership in science and innovation for Viksit Bharat. Next, who took charge as the 11th chairman of SEBI? This is Tuhin Kant Pandey, and this is important. पूछ सकते हैं. SEBI is also not a constitutional body, but it is a statutory body. Okay. Next is which language was legally declared as the official language of United States? तो English. ठीक है, पहले ये डिक्लेयर नहीं किया था, अभी इंग्लिश को डिक्लेयर किया गया. एंड अगर मैं बात करूं नेशनल बर्ड ऑफ यूएसए की, दिस इज बाल्ड ईगल. ये भी अभी डेजिग्नेट किया है. Where did PM Narendra Modi inaugurate the world's largest wildlife rescue and conservation center, Vantara? So this Vantara is in Jamnagar, Gujarat. Now next is the Indian scientists created the first detailed geological map of the moon's south pole. This is absolutely correct. The data was collected using the Chandrayaan-3 mission. This is also correct. The mapping was done in collaboration with NASA. So the third point that is mentioned here is not correct. 1 and 2 only यहाँ पे correct है. Let us see now. Question number 801. No. First statement है, the Dharma Guardian is a joint military exercise between India and Japan. Correct. The 6th edition was held at Mount Fuji in Japan. This is also correct. And it focuses on naval operation and maritime security. Now this is not correct because this Dharma Guardian exercise, this is an exercise, military exercise, which is related to the army, not the navy. So 1 and 2 is right. Question number 802. Lunar Trailblazer is a NASA spacecraft. It was launched to detect and map the water on the moon, and it is a part of the Artemis program. No, Artemis is a separate program. ठीक है? It is not a part of Artemis. So 1 and 2 only here is right. Important point to know is यहाँ पे 3 यहाँ पे incorrect है. Artemis is a separate program which is related to space exploration. Okay. Question number 803. First statement is Aditya L1 is India's first space-based solar mission. Absolutely correct hai. Now it captured the first image of a solar flare kernel. This is also correct. The mission is operated by ISRO in collaboration with NASA. Now Aditya L1 mission जो है, it is solely the mission of ISRO. ठीक है. So third point is not correct. Only the first and second here are correct. Next is Vantara is the world's largest wildlife rescue and conservation center. Correct है ये. It was inaugurated by PM Modi in Jamnagar, Gujarat. This is also correct. And now it is managed by the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Now the third statement here is not true because ये जो है, this is managed by the Reliance Foundation. It is a private enterprise. Third हमारा incorrect होगा यहाँ पे. Only the first and second is true. Question number 805. Shashakt Bharat is a biannual Hindi magazine of the Ministry of Defense. Next is it was launched by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and it is focused on India's space achievement. So third statement here is false because it is focused on the defense sector and not space. Okay? 1 and 2 will be the correct answer. Next question. The first Udan Yatri Cafe was opened at the Kolkata airport. Absolutely correct. The second cafe was inaugurated at Chennai airport. This is also correct. Third statement है, the initiative is a part of PM Gati Shakti scheme. Now ये जो third statement है, it is not correct because is this Udan Yatri Cafe, it is related to the aviation sector. Okay. And PM Gati Shakti scheme, this is particularly related to the infrastructure sector. That is why 1 and only is true here. Next question is the One Nation, One program was launched to standardize the operation at the major Indian ports. Next है हमारा, it was launched by the Sarvananda Sonowal. It is part of the Sagarmala initiative. Absolutely तीनों statement correct हैं. यहाँ पे आपको ये पता होना चाहिए, Sagarmala initiative is an initiative of the Ministry of Ports. On the other hand, if I talk about Bharatmala project, Bharatmala and Parvatmala. Now this comes under the Ministry of Road and Highway. ठीक है? Which is led by Nitin Gadkari. So D would be the correct answer. Next is National Science Day is celebrated on Feb 28. Absolutely correct. The 2025 theme was Empowering Indian Youth for Global Leadership in Science and Innovation for Viksit Bharat. Absolutely correct. And it commemorates the discovery of the DNA structure. No, this is not true. Okay. Now it commemorates the discovery of the Raman effect. It is related to Raman effect. DNA से इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है. So the third statement here is false. Only the first and second here are true. Question number 809. DRDO tested the Integrated Life Support System ILSS at high altitudes. Next is the system is designed for the Tejas light combat aircraft. Absolutely correct. The test was conducted in Leh Ladakh. So this is also correct. So 1, 2 and 3 all of the above would be correct answer. यहाँ पे ये wrongly mentioned है. Next is which country launched the blue visa system for individuals contributing to environmental sustainability? UAE. Next is National Women's Day celebrated on Feb 13, 2025 in honor of whose birth anniversary? So this is Sarojini Naidu. Next है Where was the annual conference of the International Institute of Administrative Sciences held for the first time in India? New Delhi में this was held. Where was Asia's largest air show and defense expo, 15th Aero India 2025 held? It was held in Bengaluru. Who received the Forward Faster Sustainability Award 2025 for water resilience? This is NTPC. Next is, who was the world's highest paid athlete in 2024 according to the Sportico? This was Cristiano Ronaldo. Next is, which team topped the medal tally at the 38th National Games 2025 in Uttarakhand? This is Services Sports Control Board. Next is, which state launched the G-Safal scheme to empower disadvantaged families, especially women? So this was launched by the state of Gujarat. Now G-Safal, it focuses on the financial inclusion and livelihood support for women. Next step, which startup became the first Indian private company to launch a commercial satellite constellation called Firefly? This is important. Okay, correct answer is Pixel. Next है हमारा, what was the name of the 13th India Maldives joint military exercise held in Mafila-Fushi? So this is Ekuvirin. ठीक है, India and Maldives के बीच में this exercise takes place. Next is, which country approved the construction of the first deep water space station in South China Sea? This is China. Next है, on whose birth centenary did the Indian government announce a 100 rupee commemorative coin? It was on the birth centenary of the Muhammad Rafi. What was the name of the military exercise conducted in Bet Dwarka, Gujarat, involving Army, Coast Guard and Marine Police? This is the Jal Thal Raksha exercise 2025. Next, which country won the mixed team championship title at the Badminton Asia Championships for the first time? So Indonesia is the correct answer. Next is, which space agency's Euclid Space Telescope discovered the Einstein ring around galaxy NGC 6505? Basically, the question is about Euclid Space Telescope. So this has been launched by the European Space Agency, ESA. Next देखते हैं, in which zoo was India's first biobank and animal museum established? So it was established in Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park. Next is, who was approved by the European Space Agency to become the first astronaut with a physical disability? And this one is an important question. Correct answer की मैं बात करूं, so John McFall is the correct answer. Who assumed office as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India? This is Gyanesh Kumar. Which state presented its first green budget focusing on climate adaptation and biodiversity? So green budget को introduce करने वाला Rajasthan has become the first state. Next is, which state has the highest population of vulture in India as per the data released? So Madhya Pradesh has the largest population of vultures. Now next is, consider the following statements about the Aero India 2025 event. It was the 15th edition of Asia's largest air show. Correct. It was held in Hyderabad. No, this was held in Bangalore. Okay. So second one is incorrect. It showcased indigenous defense technologies. Absolutely correct. So 1 and 3 will be the correct answer. Next देखते हैं. Consider the following statement about the G-Fasal scheme. It was launched by the Gujarat government. Next, it aims to empower disadvantaged families, especially women. Absolutely correct. Now, it is a central government initiative. No, this is not correct. This is not a central government, but it is a scheme of the state. Gujarat government के द्वारा this has been issued. So the third is wrong. Only the first and second statement here is true. Next, consider the following statement about the Euclid's Space Telescope. First one is, it is operated by the European Space Agency. It discovered an Einstein ring around galaxy NGC 6505 and it is designated to study solar flares. So this is incorrect because it is a space telescope. It is related to the cosmic matters and structure, not solar flares. So third eliminate हो जाएगा. First and second will be the correct answer. Next, consider the following statement about the inland waterway terminal inaugurated on Feb 2025. It was inaugurated by Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal. This is the first statement. It is located on the Brahmaputra River. This is also correct. And it is a part of Sagarmala initiative. No, this does not comes under any scheme. So the third is wrong. Only the first and second is true. Consider the following statement about RBI's RBI data app. It was launched to provide access to economic and financial data. Correct. It is available in multiple Indian languages. No, this is not correct. It was launched on Feb 23. So first and third here is true. Second is not correct. Consider the following statement about the third Kashi Tamil Samagam. It was hosted in Varanasi. Banaras Hindu University was the organizing institution. And the third statement is it celebrates the Tamil and literature and cuisine. So all of the above statement holds true. Next is consider the following statement about the Surajkund International Crafts Fair 2025. First one is it was held in Faridabad. Second is Odisha and Madhya Pradesh where the theme states. And third is it focused exclusively on the ट्राइबल एयरक्राफ्ट. नो, ट्राइबल के साथ साथ अदर क्राफ्ट्स पे भी फोकस था. सो द थर्ड इज नॉट करेक्ट. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ईयर इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग statement about the Jal Thal Raksha 2025 exercise. Now it was conducted in the Bet Dwarka, Gujarat. Absolutely correct. It involved Indian Army, Coast Guard and Marine Police. Correct. It was a joint exercise with Sri Lanka. No, this was associated with the Indian Army only. Okay. So third यहाँ पे incorrect है. Only the first and second is true. Next is consider the following statement about RBI's revision of small loan limit for the Urban Cooperative Bank. Now, first one is the limit was increased to 3 crores. Correct है. The revision was announced on Feb 24, 2025. This is also correct. And it applies to all scheduled commercial bank. अभी मैंने बताया this is related to the Urban Cooperative Bank. So third हमारा incorrect है. First and second here is absolutely correct. Next देखते हैं who won the women's single title of the Mumbai Open 2025 series. So Jill Belen Teachman has won this. Which former Sri Lankan captain retired after his 100th test match against Australia? So this was Dimuth Karunaratne. Next is who won the Chennai Open ATP Challenger single title? So Kirian Jacket. Next, what new name was given to the HAL Hindustan jet trainer? Yashas is the name that has been given. Next, what was the name of the joint military exercise conducted by the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force? Winged Raider is the correct answer. Which countries are part of the European Free Trade Association EFTA with whom India has set up a trade desk? So this is Switzerland, Norway, Iceland and Liechtenstein. Okay. Now next देखते हैं which legendary cricketer collaborated with Reliance Consumer to launch the sports drink spinner? So Muthaiya Muralidharan is the correct answer. Researchers from which country uncovered brain mechanism related to emotional recognitions? This is Israel. Next, who launched the nationwide Jan Aushadhi campaign for lymphatic filariasis elimination? So Jagat Prakash Nanda, yeah, JP Nadda is the correct answer. Now, scientists from which IIT discovered the defense system of the superbugs? This is IIT Roorkee. Next, who won his 36th national title and the 10th men's snooker championship? This is Pankaj Advani. Who compiled the book I Am, released by the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar? So this is Gopi Chand P. Hinduja. What was the theme of the International Epilepsy Day? So My Epilepsy Journey. Where was the जनजाति सांस्कृतिक समागम 2025 organized? प्रयागराज में organize हुआ था ये. Where was the BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 held? In Gandhinagar. Next, who co-chaired the Summit for Action on Artificial Intelligence 2025 held in Paris? This is Narendra Modi. India was the co-chair. Whereas Emmanuel Macron from France was the chair of this committee. Okay. Next is, what was India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index of 2024 released by Transparency International? 96th rank था इंडिया का. Which state was entrusted with hosting the 39th National Games? Meghalaya is going to conduct the 39th National Games. In which AIIMS was India's first indigenous automated biomedical waste treatment plant, Shri Janam, installed? So AIIMS, New Delhi mein this has been installed. Next is, how many new languages were added to the Parliament's translation services? 6 languages were added, that were Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Manipuri, Urdu and Sanskrit. Next is statement based question. Now, first question is, the Hindustan jet trainer was renamed as Yashas by HAL. Absolutely correct. The aircraft is used for advanced pilot training. ये भी correct है. And it was jointly developed by HAL and DRDO. Now this aircraft was solely developed by HAL. DRDO का कोई role नहीं था. So third statement wrong है. Only the first and second here is correct. ठीक है. Next है, the Janjati Sanskritik Samagam of 2025 was held in Prayagraj. First statement, it celebrated tribal culture and heritage and the event was organized by Ministry of External Affairs. Third हमारा incorrect है, this was organized by Ministry of Culture. ठीक है. Next is, BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 was hosted in Gandhinagar. Correct. It focused on regional cooperation and youth leadership. This is also correct. BIMSTEC includes countries from South Asia and Southeast Asia. So all the given statement here is absolutely correct. Okay? So all will be the correct answer. Next, the book I Am was compiled by Gopi Chand P. Hinduja. Correct hai. It was released by Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. This is also correct. The book is biography of Hinduja Group founders. This is also correct. So तीनों statement यहाँ पे absolutely correct हैं. So all will be the correct answer. Next is, the Summit for Action on Artificial Intelligence 2025 was held in Paris. Correct है. It was co-chaired by PM Narendra Modi and the President Emmanuel Macron. This is also correct. The summit was organized by the United Nations. No. Now this was a bilateral initiative. UN ने organize नहीं किया था. So third हमारा incorrect है. Only the first and second is true. Next देखते हैं. India ranked 96th in the Corruption Perception Index. बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. Next is, the index was released by Transparency International. बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. Third is, Denmark was ranked the most corrupt country. No, Denmark was the least corrupt country. So third incorrect है. First and second हमारे यहाँ पे correct होगा. Next देखते हैं 866. India won the Bronze Award at the Global Best M Government Awards 2025. Correct है. The award was presented at the World Government Summit in Dubai. Absolutely correct. ये question important है आपके लिए. You need to know this. Next is, India won the award for its Ayushman Bharat mobile app. This is incorrect. Only the first and second here is true. Ellie is Asia's first life-size Animatronic elephant, absolutely correct. It was unveiled by PETA India in Bengaluru. This is also correct. And Ellie is designed to replace live elephants in temple rituals. This is also, yeah, no. This Ellie is an awareness type of thing. Okay. It is for awareness. It is not going to replace the elephants that are there in the rituals. Okay. So first and second यहाँ पे will be true. Next is Sohail Akhtar became the first female cricketer banned by ICC for corruption. She is from Bangladesh and the ban was for match fixing in the Women's World Cup. So the ban was there due to the domestic reasons, not a World Cup. So 1 and 2 is correct. Next is the Indian consulate in Marseille was inaugurated by PM Modi and President Macron. Correct hai. Marseille is a major port city in France. This is also correct. And the consulate will serve as India's embassy to the European Union. No, it is not going to serve as an embassy. So third statement हमारा यहाँ पे incorrect है. Only the first and second here is true. Next है which state government announced to open the country's first AI university? Maharashtra is going to launch its first AI university. On World's Wetland Day 2025, which 4 new Ramsar sites were added in India? So, Sakarkottai Bird Sanctuary, Tirthangal, Udva and Khechopalri. All of these 4 were added. ठीक है, मैंने सीधा आंसर ही मेंशन किया है. सकरकोट्टाई ये तमिलनाडु में है. Next is Tirthangal. This is also in Tamil Nadu. Udva Lake is in Jharkhand. And Khechopalri wetland. This is in Khechopalri wetland is in Sikkim. Okay. Next is where has India's first white tiger breeding center been approved? Rewa, Madhya Pradesh mein it has been approved, and this is an important question. Next is which country became the first to declare AI generated child abuse content a crime? So this is UK. Next, which Indian American singer won the Grammy Award 2025 for the album Triveni? So this is Chandrika Tandon. This is also an important question. पूछ सकते हैं आपसे. Next is India defeated which country to win the ICC Under 19 Women's T20 World Cup for the second consecutive time? So this is none other than South Africa. Next is R. Pragnananda defeated which world champion to win the Tata Steel Chess Masters? So D. Gukesh को defeat किया था R. Pragnananda ने. What was the theme for the World's Wetland Day 2025? This is protecting wetlands for our common future. Next, which Indian airport operator joined the UN Global Compact Initiative? So GMR airports had joined this initiative recently. Shigo Gail of which country became the first black woman to win Mrs. World 2025? So she belongs to South Africa, and this is important. Next is who won the Australia's biggest cricketer award, the Alan Border Medal? So recently Travis Head has won this. Next is where was the International Saraswati Festival organized? So Pehova in Haryana, यहाँ पे International Saraswati Festival was organized. Chaman Arora won the Sahitya Academy Award 2024 for his book Ik Hod Ik Aur Ashwasthama. In which language? So it was in Dogri. Who was appointed as an honorary special government employee under the Trump administration? This was Elon Musk. Which Indian bank joined the Global Partnership for Carbon Accounting Financials? This is Indian Overseas Bank. The Indian Army partnered with which IIT to build bamboo bunkers on Feb 4th? IIT Guwahati is the correct answer. Next is who took over as the new Prime Minister of Belgium? So Bart de Wever is the correct answer. Now who was named the 50th hereditary Imam of Ismaili Muslim community? Prince Rahim Al Husseini. A is the correct answer. Next is which country reduced its working week from 40 hours to 37.5 hours? Spain is the correct answer. Next हमारा what was the theme of the World Cancer Day celebrated on Feb 4, 2025? So this is United by Unique. Now with this we have done more than 100 plus questions in our today's class. So इस वीडियो को यहीं तक रखते हैं. नाउ 3 वीडियोस और आएंगे एंड अराउंड सारे क्वेश्चंस हम कवर कर लेंगे. सो अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखी है तो डू गिव दिस वीडियो अ लाइक, कमेंट करके बताना वीडियो कैसी लगी. एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. कीप स्टडिंग. हाँ, अगर आपको पहले के पार्ट्स देखने हैं तो यू कैन चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. मैं वहाँ पे आपको प्रोवाइड करवा दूंगा with the playlist of this particular series. So thank you for watching and keep studying.